Kidwire. If the God on tomorrow morning she wake up, she's going to realize why by the day she done. Me, I'm not mad at her.
Bring Nady, come out here. Nady, come out here.
I'm not mad at anybody. I'm not best at anybody. I don't have the problem with anybody in this fucking house with this. Whatever it is that she needs me to talk about, I'm going to talk about it when I feel like she's in a position where she's not going to get into trouble.
Hello guys, and welcome back to your favorite channel, Naija News and Entertainment. Bbnaija Housemate Laycon reveals his true intentions for Erica. Brother Naija Housemate Laycon has revealed that he has good intentions for Erica and has no plans of putting her in trouble. Erica, after Sunday night, confronted Laycon again over his claim that she tried to kiss him. Erica, in an angry state, lashed out on Laycon, calling him an ugly broom of stick who has nothing to offer than talk about her. She went on to say that Laycon was a devil and has a manipulative spirit. However, Laycon, who remained silent throughout the tussle during the discussion with Kidwire, Dorothy and Prince, said he decided not to reply her because he doesn't want to put her in any trouble, which might lead to her disqualification. He further said he would wait till she's okay and in her right senses before they will settle their differences. I have good intentions for Erica and I would not want her to get disqualified. I didn't want to say anything or reply her because I know she's not in a good state now and might be pushed to do something she will regret. I will try to settle the issues I have with her, but I'll do that when she's calm and in her full senses, Laycon said. So guys, what do you think about this issue between Laycon? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. And also, if this is your first time of viewing, please don't forget to subscribe and also hit on the bell icon to get new notification when a story drops.